This video will illustrate some basic calculations for a heat pump. So our particular heat pump here is going to have a coefficient of performance of 5, and we spend $20 on the work value of running this heat pump for, let's say, a week. So the work here is not in joules, but it's in terms of dollars, and that's fine. The coefficient of performance is Q sub H over W. These quantities just need to have the same units. So if we use joules, that's fine. If we use dollars for both of them, that is fine. So let's calculate the dollar value of Q sub H. Again, in this heat pump, we're extracting energy from a cold reservoir and delivering it to the hot reservoir. This does not violate the laws of thermodynamics because work is being done in this process. The energy is not moving spontaneously from the cold reservoir to the hot reservoir. That never happens spontaneously. But by doing work, we can move the energy. So we have the values to put in here: 5 for the coefficient of performance, $20 for the work. We multiply both sides by $20. And we find that we've delivered $100 worth of energy to the inside of a house. So let's go a little bit further here and take a look at where this dollar value came from. Here's our heat pump. Work is going in to the working part of the heat pump. We're moving energy, picking up energy from the cold reservoir, delivering it to the hot reservoir. Well, the Q sub H number is equal to the two energies, W and Q sub C. And again, we can use dollar values for all three terms. As long as the units are the same for all three terms, we're free to choose our set of units. We're going to use dollars. So Q sub H from part A was $100. The work from the given part of the problem was $20. So Q sub C is $80. This heat pump has picked up free energy. We did not have to burn fuel from the cold reservoir. And that free energy has a dollar value of $80. Free in the sense that we did not have to spend our money to create this energy. There's energy in cold air. There's energy in cold groundwater. They're not at absolute zero, so they do possess energy that can be picked up and moved to the hot reservoir. So we spend $20, we get $100 delivered in this simple version of a heat pump. $100 going to the home. $80 we did not have to spend money for. Of course, heat pumps are expensive to install initially, but after several years, the money you saved on your utility bill has paid back the initial cost. So do some more problems on your own. Ask your instructor some questions.